Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix payment not completed on iPhone after update iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Installing app, select allow. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Tap iTunes and App Store restriction. Tap installing apps. Select allow. Solution number 2. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Sign out Apple ID, sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off and sign in back Apple ID. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.